tiny and silky hairs. She's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is me Kalpana, and today we are going to watch how I turn my wavy hair into the straight one like this. Silky, straight and shiny hair. So without any ado, let's get into the video. So first thing first, like make sure your head is clean and no dandruff, no product is left over your scalp. And as you can see, my hair is looking fine as I have washed twice, and I use a sulfate free shampoo. I forgot the name, but I'll mention the picture for sure here for you all.
So for my wavy hair, I use the shampoo called, I forgot the name, but that's my OG product, and this is my go-to shampoo. It has reduces my frizz and it has reduces a lot of dandruff from my head. So I usually use that shampoo. And after washing my hair, what I do is leave the conditioner for 20 to 30 seconds, and I don't put conditioner in my scalp because my scalp is oily and the roots are dry. So what I do is put the conditioner here in the middle and leave it for about 20 to 30 seconds to dry, and then I wash my hair, and it literally changes the game for my hair. Trust me guys, this trick will blow your mind as well. So as you can see, I've just washed out my hair, and this is my hair care routine as well for my wavy hair to look straight and frizz free. As you can see, I have a lot of frizz in my hair and this looks so unnourished. So what I usually do is I wash my hair twice in a week with shampoo and afterwards conditioner, and then I dry my hair.
After washing your hair, gently towel dry your hair first, as I have already done this, and my hair is now damp, and I'll now get to the blow dry part.
So after wash out, I only use one product which works as a heat protecting and as a nourishment as well, which I think you all know already, but I'll still show you guys. And this is the OG product guys for hair. This is the OG product.
So as you all have guessed right that I was talking about this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, and it's been about like 1 to 2 years since I'm using this product, and this has changed my hair game guys, trust me, as this works as a heat protectant and frizz free and smoothie shiny hair all in one. So what I do is take 2 to 3 pumps of the serum and rub it into my hair and gently puts it on my hair. Look at the shine guys, I haven't even done anything and look at the shine. So now I will be detangling my hair, for which I use this bamboo brush. This belongs to my sister, don't tell her. But yeah, this is the OG product as well, and all my skincare belongs to my sister. So yeah, this is the benefit of having a sister for sure. So what I do is detangle my hair. So this helps me when I blow dry my hair for sure. So just gently do this. Don't rush, don't pull your hairs because this harms a lot.
Firstly, just section your hair like I did, and we'll be blow drying by sectioning our hair. So first I'll blow dry my left part, then I'll be doing the right part.
Alright, let's start blow drying, and I use this tool called Philips Salon-Straight compact. It is 1000 watt, but it works for my hair pretty good, and this dries my hair very decent. So I love this product. All my hair products like the blow dryer and the straightener are all from Philips because I have trust in Philips, and Philips never disappointed me. So yeah, let's start the blow dry process, and here it goes. I have blow dried my hair, and now it's time for straightening the hair. For that, I'll be using my Philips this OG product. I love Philips guys, and this one is. So guys, once your hair is clearly dried, you can use the straightener, as my straightener is heat up already and I have already sectioned my hair. So we'll start straightening this. Guys, ignore, my sister is making me laugh unnecessarily and this is so hard for me to shoot my videos. But yeah, you can do it by taking the sections. As I am very short tempered, I'll be doing it very quickly. Let me just quickly wind this up, guys, and this side is almost done. Now it's time for this one. You can see the difference, like this side all wavy and this side the straight one. And there you have it, straight, shiny and silky hair. It is like salon, but yeah, it is homemade for sure. Okay guys, this is it for the video. I hope you liked this video, and do let me know in the comment section how you like this, and till then, take care, bye bye.